Pasensya nyo na itsura ko, kakagising ko lang. Yan, nag-take lang ako ng pre-workout. Kill ng Mutant, available at Supplement Kingdom, look for Virgilio. Yan, and then yung, yung intra-workout ko, tinatawag sa intra, is siya yung tinitake nyo during nag-workout. Kasi ang pre-workout, may caffeine siya. Caffeine, creatine, beta-alanine, citrulline for good muscle pumps. So, hindi masama pagsabayin ng creatine tsaka caffeine. Yan. Kung wala naman kayo, kung healthy kayo. So, yun. And then, after workout, whey protein isolate ng Phyto Nutrition or Mutant Philippines vanilla flavor. Minsan ginagawang ice cream ni wifey. So, yun yung mga ano ko. And then, actually, 3 cups rice after workout kasi matindi yung workouts ko. Yung anabolic pump ng Phyto Nutrition, may HMB, L-citrulline, creatine. Kung wala kayong budget, kung yun lang ang meron kayo, sabayan nyo ng coffee, pwede na siyang pre-workout. Yun lang yun. Hope this helps.